Hi, I'm Annette Richmond. I partner with my clients to develop exemplary executive brands. Whether you know it or not, you already have a brand. It's what people think about you and say about you when you're not around. You might think about it as your reputation. Do people think of you as someone who gets results? Or do they think about you as a drone who just does enough to get by if they think about you at all? You certainly can't control what people think, but you can influence it. If you're looking for a new job, that means having a compelling resume and LinkedIn profile that demonstrate to recruiters and employers what you can do. I can help you with that. Before I was in the career field, I was a magazine writer and associate editor. I decided to go back to school and get a master's in psych, and I landed a job as a vocational counselor at a nonprofit. From there, I launched a career site. I taught communication and writing for a couple of local universities, and I worked as a recruiter. In 2014, I decided to combine my experience and my expertise and launch Career Intelligence Resume Writing. If you're ready to invest in yourself and your career, review the 3 comprehensive packages that I put together to find one that best fits your needs. Then, if you think that I'm a good fit for you, schedule a call with me to find out about moving forward. And know that if you sign on to work with me, you'll be working with me through the entire project, never a subcontractor. Thanks so much for stopping by. I look forward to chatting with you.